Today, we're counting down the top 5 home security systems you can actually trust in 2025, from budget-friendly DIY setups to smart home powerhouses. Number 5. SimpliSafe, best overall DIY system. SimpliSafe is widely regarded as one of the top DIY home security systems, offering a balance of affordability, ease of use, and reliable protection. Here's an overview of its key features, performance, design, and ideal users. Features: wireless and battery-powered. All components are wireless and battery-operated, facilitating easy installation without the need for drilling or wiring. Mobile app control. Manage your system remotely via the SimpliSafe mobile app, including arming, disarming, and real-time alerts. Performance. Reliable alerts. Provides accurate and timely notifications for various events such as motion detection or door window openings. Fast installation. Users report setup times as quick as 30 minutes, thanks to clear instructions and pre-programmed devices. Design. Minimalist aesthetic. The equipment features a sleek, unobtrusive design that blends well with various home decors. Compact components. Devices are small and lightweight, making them easy to place discreetly around your home. Pros. Reliable protection. Wireless and battery-powered, easy installation, mobile app control. Cons. The provided text does not explicitly list any cons. Best for DIY enthusiasts, perfect for those who prefer to install their own security systems without professional assistance. Smart home users, those looking to integrate security with existing smart home ecosystems, will appreciate its compatibility with major platforms. Number 4. Vivint, best for smart home integration. Vivint is widely recognized as a top-tier smart home security provider, particularly praised for its seamless integration of home automation and professional monitoring. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features, performance, design, and ideal user profile. Features: custom-built equipment. Vivint designs and manufactures its own hardware, including the smart hub, cameras, and sensors, ensuring a cohesive and reliable ecosystem. Mobile app control. The Vivint app provides comprehensive control over your home security and automation features, enabling real-time monitoring and adjustments from anywhere. Performance reliable monitoring. Vivint offers 24/7 professional monitoring with rapid response times, ensuring prompt assistance during emergencies. High-quality video. Cameras provide clear, high-definition footage with effective night vision capabilities, enhancing security coverage at all times. Design smart hub. The central control panel features a 7-inch full-color touchscreen, offering intuitive navigation and control over all connected devices. Aesthetic hardware. Vivint's equipment boasts a modern, sleek design that complements various home interiors, combining functionality with visual appeal. Pros: intuitive smart hub, user-friendly 7-inch color touchscreen. Aesthetic design, modern and sleek hardware that looks good. Professional installation, expert setup, and ongoing support. Cons: custom-built equipment, locks users into Vivint's ecosystem. Professional installation, not suitable for DIY enthusiasts. Best for homeowners seeking comprehensive automation, those looking to integrate security with smart home features like lighting, climate control, and voice assistance. Individuals preferring professional installation, users who value expert setup and support over DIY solutions. Number 3. ADT, Most Trusted Professional Monitoring. Here's a breakdown of ADT Most Trusted Professional Monitoring, covering its features, performance, design, and best for. Features: cellular plus battery backup, keeps your system working during power or Wi-Fi outages. Video surveillance and cloud storage, view and store footage from anywhere with cloud-based access. Performance: fast response time. ADT has one of the quickest average response times in the industry, under 30 seconds in most cases. Low false alarm rate. Their systems are finely tuned to reduce false alarms with features like intelligent motion detection. Design: modern, minimal look. Devices like cameras, sensors, and control panels sport a clean, modern aesthetic that fits into most home decors. Wireless setup options. While professional installation is standard, ADT now also offers DIY kits that are sleek and easy to install. Pros: smart home integration, convenient control, panic medical alerts for vulnerable individuals, mobile app control, remote access and alerts. Cons: pro installation, often required, adds cost, monthly fees, ongoing expense. Best for homeowners who want peace of mind, especially those who want industry-grade protection backed by a well-known name. Families with kids or elderly, ADT offers panic buttons, medical alerts, and monitoring tailored to vulnerable members. Number 2. Ring alarm, best for budget-friendly smart security. The Ring Alarm Security Kit stands out as a top choice for budget-friendly smart home security, offering a blend of affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance. Here's an in-depth look at its key aspects. Features: DIY installation. Designed for easy self-installation, the Ring Alarm system can be set up in approximately 15 to 20 minutes, making it accessible even for those without technical expertise. Comprehensive kit. The 5-piece starter kit includes a base station, keypad, motion detector, contact sensor, and range extender. Larger kits, like the 14-piece version, offer additional sensors for expanded coverage. Performance. User-friendly app. The Ring app allows users to disarm the system remotely, monitor sensor status, and receive real-time notifications, contributing to a convenient user experience. Design. Modern aesthetic. The Ring Alarm components feature a sleek, minimalist design in white, allowing them to blend seamlessly into various home decors. Compact devices. While most components are compact, some users have noted that the contact sensors are somewhat bulky, which might affect placement options on certain doors or windows. Pros: comprehensive kits, offers starter and larger kits for varying coverage needs. User-friendly app, allows for remote control, monitoring, and real-time notifications. Modern design, sleek minimalist aesthetic blends well with home decor. Cons: bulky contact sensors. Some users find the contact sensors to be large, potentially limiting placement. Best for budget-conscious consumers. With starter kits priced around $199.99 and optional low-cost monitoring plans, Ring Alarm is ideal for those seeking affordable home security solutions. Number 1, Bode, best for customization and no contract options. Here's a breakdown of a Bode, best for customization and no contract options, covering its features, performance, design, and best for in a clean and easy-to-read format. Features: custom automations. Easily create custom rules, e.g. turn on lights when motion is detected. Smart home integrations. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Z-Wave, Zigbee, and IFTTT. Mobile app. Control and monitor your home security system from anywhere. Performance: reliable alerts, fast notifications via app, email, and SMS. Effective sensors, accurate motion and contact sensors that rarely give false alarms. Good uptime, stable cloud services and app connectivity. Design: sleek, minimalist look, blends well with modern home decor. Compact equipment, devices are small and unobtrusive. User-friendly interface, easy to set up and navigate through the app or web dashboard. Pros: modern design, sleek and compact equipment. Easy to use, user-friendly app and web interface. No contracts, flexible for renters and homeowners. Cons: based on the provided information, there are no explicit cons mentioned. Further research might reveal potential drawbacks. Best for renters and homeowners, great for people who want no contract flexibility. Tech enthusiasts, perfect for users who want to deeply customize and automate their smart home. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say,